There it is. There's all the towing stuff that I got out of Ralph. Hopefully this window doesn't hit me.
Oh yeah, if this is vacuum.
Random bricks, got a battery, all kinds of stuff. I'm probably gonna end up keeping all this because who knows what, I mean, all this stuff will come in handy later on, you know, all kinds of dad activities. But that's it. I am gonna continue with the process of selling Ralph to Vroom. Ralph is clear. Ralph is fine. The light's not on. And actually just got in contact with Vroom too. They said, it's fine. I mean, it's still on the warranty. So if anything happens, then I'll just take it back on the warranty. So everything is there and documented and fine. And Ralph is going to go bye-bye. I don't know when, but maybe by the end of the week, they'll do it. This video is not sponsored by Vroom, but if it is, yo, hook it up. You know what I'm saying? Give me like a 1/4% of everyone that like referred me or watching this video selling to Vroom. You know what I'm saying? Throw that little commission my way. But yeah, super easy. It was super sketchy. My friend Eric actually sold his Cadillac to Carvana, and my buddy up here in Dallas, he was talking about getting an Audi talking about getting a Model 3, and he went through the same thing. The dealer didn't want to offer him anything, and then Vroom offered like 10 grand more than what the dealer offered. So he's probably just gonna go through Vroom the same way. And there's that. So what's next? Priority number 1, Ralph. I got to get him figured out and get him gone. Priority number 2 is I got to take a breather on this one. I got to take a breather because I am tired of doing transmission work on this car. I'm over it. I got a little bit of an AC leak too, but it looks so good. So what I think I'm gonna do is bite my tongue and do the 4L60. I'm gonna just rip it out of the front. I'm not doing it on the ground like I did last time because that sucked. I'll rip it out of the front, clean everything, clean the engine bay, all that kind of stuff, you know, make it look nice. There's a water leak in the cowl that I gotta fix. So I'll take care of that. And with Monster, when they go through the whole, you know, claim process and everything, they'll pay me labor for doing it because I'm the one doing it. So I think they pay like $50 an hour. That's what it's in the warranty packet. And at the same time, this transmission job is like an 8-hour job, according to all data, or 8 or 8.5, because transfer case, you know, all that other kind of stuff. And really what makes it hard is the torsion bar, the front suspension. I'll get that taken care of. Put it in, they'll reimburse me. I had the thought of taking the motor out and the trans out to do it, but I think I'm gonna get a small utility trailer and maybe start off my mobile thing. And then another thing, I need to get to 1,000. I need to get to 1,000 this year. I'm almost there. I'm like at 870 or 880 or something like that. So please subscribe, check it out. I know it's racing and the intro is cool and stuff like, but that's what I want to get to. And there'll be some more of that along the way. And I can do some fun stuff with the Tahoe and all kinds of other stuff. But for now, the Tahoe is a trusty steed. Hanging in there. Taking it to the gym, all the other kind of stuff, other than the trans issue. And then I'll ride out, and then that way I can put some tires on it. I can do little things here and there. Get my ball rolling a little bit. I'm sorry that I haven't had as much like cool content to like put out there other than me working on my shit box, because I've had so many roadblocks. Like what you're seeing here is just a very small portion of what I've actually had to go through. Actually, what I thought about doing on YouTube is instead of doing stuff like this, it's just how to get yourself out of a freaking rut. And I've been in so many ruts, like so many. Life for other people apparently goes super easy, no problems. I run into problems and situations every 10 minutes. So, you know, be on the lookout for more big stuff like that. But yes, Ralph, What the process is, I went, put in the VIN number. I had my Monroney sticker. So I had all the options, all the paperwork, it's the trailer hitch, the side steps, everything, Uconnect, and that was it. They appraised it all right there. It's a clean Carfax, nothing's wrong with it, still has warranty, and they gave me the price right there. I went ahead and filed all the paperwork. I'm doing everything online. You do the e-signatures and everything. I'm going to receive a FedEx packet in the mail with more stuff for me to sign and send over. And then after that, they're going to come over and pick it up, and they'll pay me 2 to 3 days after they receive Ralph wherever they're going to receive it. I think he's actually going to go to San Antonio. I think Ralph is going to become a work truck over there. So whoever's going to get it is going to perform a weight loss program on Ralph. That's what I'm going to say now, and not deal with it. I would like to perform a weight loss program on Ralph, but it's real sketch. It's a lot of weird paper trail stuff that I don't even want to get into, and I don't even want to be involved in because of how sketch that territory is right now. But that's it. I got a lot going on. I got paperwork and errands I got to run and I got to go do right now. So I will see you guys on another video. If you want to sell the room, super easy to do. If you're going to buy a 4L60E, don't do it.